Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about a build undertaken in Poland by our friend Michal. Well, even though we don't speak the same language, our common passion for customized bikes has got us connected. This build is regarding the Yamaha Vx 1600A Road Star, or also commonly known as Wild Star in certain countries. Michal wanted something other than the boring looking Japanese bike. Something that is stripped down to the bone and only the bare essentials are placed on. Something that takes him back to the 1960s rock and roll era. So now let's start the build process from her tank. She gets the classic peanut shaped tank design. We really liked the external pipe that acts as a fuel gauge. Next comes the paint job. There are various coats of paints, starting with the base black coat. Then there are silver flakes drawn along with a classic golden stripe around it. Since this bike is a Japanese model, what better than painting the rising sun on both the sides of the tank? This paint selection is also era appropriate. Then comes the exhaust. She comes with custom built bent pipes followed by a straight tube free flow exhaust. This makes her sound as amazing as she looks. Since she is a carbureted model, the inflow of air and fuel mixture has been retuned in sync with the exhaust. Now comes the rims. Well, this is a very interesting selection of design here. The front gets conventional spoke wheels while the rear gets a complete alloy rim. There were quite a few alterations required for the rear rim to fit. This combination looks unique and somehow goes with the overall design. The mounting of the belt drive has also been customized in sync with the design language of the rear rim. She gets a raised handlebar, which we feel goes along with the raw look of the bike. Her entire chassis has been repainted. The rear swing arm has been altered a bit to accommodate the new suspension setting, which suits the owner's preference. Her engine gets a fresh coat of chrome. The engine now has a much greater presence thanks to the minimal bodywork around it. She gets a basic analog speedometer. We also really like the spring attached single seat design. Now it's time to reveal the overall product. We really hope you liked the video. If you did, please do subscribe and we look forward for seeing you in our next one. Thank you.